Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of groups not found in on the application of Messenger. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.